Welcome. I'm Dr. Jessica Singh, the founder and CEO of the Center for Health and Wellness Coaches. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 tips to help you schedule your NBHWC certifying exam. As coaches, we go through a rigorous process to take the NBHWC certifying exam, given the extensive eligibility requirements to become a national board certified health and wellness coach. While completing the exam is a huge milestone, so is the decision to pursue formal health and wellness coach training, take the exam, and schedule the exam. So I'd like to begin by taking a moment to honor you, to celebrate you and your achievements, and congratulate you for getting to this point. So if you'd like to celebrate by giving yourself a hug or just taking a moment to pause in gratitude with me. As a disclaimer, this presentation is brought to you by the Center for Health and Wellness Coaches and is in no way affiliated with the National Board for Health and Wellness Coaching or the National Board for Medical Examiners. For the most complete, accurate, and up-to-date information, please refer to these resources directly. The first tip is to allow yourself enough time to prepare for the NBHWC certifying exam. I often hear coaches who retake the exam say that they underestimated the amount of time required to prepare, which can take weeks or even months. The NBHWC provides resources for coaches to review, including a comprehensive exam content outline. However, to adequately learn and understand each topic and competency requires additional reading and research. While NBHWC approved programs are expected to cover all material on the content outline, the extent and depth of coverage varies from program to program. Therefore, it is important for each coach to review the outline and determine how much time they need to study. So the NBHWC provides the following exam study materials to help you prepare for the exam. NBHWC content outline, practice exam, bulletin of information, exam information packet, NBHWC code of ethics, a health and wellness coach scope of practice, health and wellness job task analysis. The NBHWC also shares the following HIPAA resources: a summary of the HIPAA privacy rule, a summary of the HIPAA security rule, and an NBHWC HIPAA position statement. So please be sure to review all of these resources provided by the National Board for Health and Wellness Coaching to prepare for the exam. The second tip is to give yourself enough time to complete the application for the NBHWC certifying exam. The exam application process requires coaches to upload the necessary documentation and certifications. Please do not wait until the last minute to do this. Make sure you allow yourself enough time to locate necessary documentation, especially if you need to communicate with your coaching program. Coaches can find the test application periods listed on the NBHWC website. The third tip is to schedule your exam on a day when you can be physically, mentally, and emotionally present for the entire 4.5-hour test session. The test includes a 15-minute tutorial and 2 blocks of questions. Each block has 75 questions, and coaches have 1 hour and 52 minutes to complete each block. In addition, the test session allows for up to a 15-minute break in between question blocks and also includes a 15-minute post-test survey. Although you may not need all of the available time, allowing yourself to be fully present without other obligations or distractions will optimize your test performance. The fourth tip is to remember that everyone receives their exam results at the same time. Remember that taking the exam earlier within the same test window does not mean that you will receive your score earlier. Exam results are not given immediately. The exam takes time to grade, and everyone receives their results at the same time. Test results are released to coaches several weeks after the exam ends. The fifth tip is to know that in the event of any unforeseen circumstances, you can reschedule your exam within the same test window itself. More details about this process are found in the NBHWC NBME Bulletin of Information. The sixth tip is to remember that in order to be eligible to sit for the exam, your NBHWC coaching log must be completed after you pass a practical skills assessment within your NBHWC approved program. According to the NBHWC, coaches must provide a log of 50 sessions consisting of a minimum of 20 minutes in duration that meet the following criteria. 75% of each coaching session must be devoted to coaching facilitation and not education. Coaching sessions may not be with friends, family, or current classmates. Coaching sessions can be paid or pro bono. Please refer to information provided by the NBHWC for complete information about the coaching log. I also recommend that coaches complete their coaching log by the time of their application, if possible. If not, they have the option to apply for an extension to submit the log by a later date, as specified by the National Board for Health and Wellness Coaching, but this does come with an additional fee. Last but not least, if you require test accommodations, such as extended testing time, enlarged text and graphics, permission for use of assisted devices, initiate the request at the same time you complete your exam registration by checking yes on the test accommodations box. For more information, please read the NBHWC and NBME Bulletin of Information. Thank you for your time. I hope you found these 7 tips helpful in helping you schedule your NBHWC certifying exam. Although the information in this video is accurate to date, it's important to please remember again that the information may be subject to change based on the policies and procedures of the National Board for Health and Wellness Coaching and the National Board for Medical Examiners. And so for the most accurate and up-to-date information, please refer to these resources directly. For more information about NBHWC exam prep resources, visit us at centerforhealthandwellnesscoaches.com. Thank you.